Hi, today I want to knit two very simple socks on 2 needles. Cast on 40 stitches to 2 ribbing to knit 2 purl for 15 centimeters. Mark 10 stitches on each side with markers. Make 1 yarn hour before the first marker and after the second marker. First row, 1 slip, knit until the first marker, before the marker, yarn hour, marker, 2 purl, knit. Before the second marker, 2 purl, marker, yarn hour, knit. Second row, first slip, work purl until the second marker, 2 knit, and purl until the first marker. Before the first marker, 2 knit, marker, and purl. Continue to repeat rows 1 and 2. Knit until there are 17 stitches on each side. Now work until the first marker. Transfer the edge stitches to cable needles. It looks like this. Now knit only the middle 22 stitches. Knit 11 centimeters in stockinette stitch. Now decrease by 1 stitch on each side. 1 slip, 2 knit together, knit, two knit together, purl. Purl the stitches on the wrong side row. It looks like this. 12 stitches. Now I will add a loop on each side in every row. Last knit and add one loop from the front. Per row, wrong, wrong side, add loop from the back and continue. Continue until there are 22 stitches on the needle as and before. Now at the end of each row we need 2 stitches together and add one from the edge. Knit, wrong side, 2 purl together, one from the edge from the back, total 22 stitches, and continue. Knit, 2 stitches together and add one from the edge. Attach to the addition needles in the same way. Now walk until the needle, purl 2 stitches together, and purl 1 stitch from the cable needle. Work until the cable needle, to knit together, and knit one from the cable needle. Continue. Next row, 1 slip, 1 knit, 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 2 knit together, and knit from the cable needle. Wrong, all stitches purl. Two purl together, one purl from cable needle, and continue. Slip, need, slip, need, slip, need, slip, need, and wrong side or pearl. It looks like this, and continue on this pattern until the ribbon. One slip, need, slip, need, two need together, one loop from the edge, wrong row, pearl, all stitches, pearl, two pearl together, and one loop from the edge, from the back, and continue until the ribbon. Continue in the same way, knitting two knit, two pearl. One slip, two knit, two pearl, two knit, two pearl, and two pearl together, one loop from the edge, and continue rivet to knit to pearl. It's look like this. And now cast off. To knit to pearl. The socks are ready. Good luck.